Maxpedition. This is what I carry on the Dark Horse. I had it for quite a while, and it stays on my bike all the time. The rain, the snow, that's why it's a little faded. And the way to bring this back, the color back, is use WD-40 chain lube. That's what I use, and it brings it back. I mean, the whole bag used to look like this from the sun, you know, and you can see it from the zipper. I use WD-40 chain lube. Let it soak it down, let it sit, and it looks good. So let's see what I keep on the Dark Horse. This side is my right side, which has my my light, just different things I would need for the bike. The left side has my tools, so that'll be a separate video. This is what I keep in it. It's not much, but this is what I keep in it all the time. This is the light I use when I went camping. They don't make this light anymore. Really good light. Ozark Trail. It's a good light. It's hard to find. It was only $18, but it's the best light on the market. There's other lights out there. I tried another light. It was $65. Not as good as this one. It looks like it, but not as good as this one. It's a really good light. It has 3 settings. It has strobe, which I never use. Medium and high. Good light. Good light. Next, I have some camping soap. Get my hands dirty, I can just find a stream or use some water. Some good stuff I use all the time. And you peel this off, the layers in here, you know, peel that off, wash your hands. Works good. Next, I have a binocular. Small, but it works. Works very good. In case I want to see what's, you know, see a hawk in a tree, or if I want to see something like maybe a mile down the road, I guess. I don't know how far it goes, but it works better than the naked eye. See if I can get it open. I don't know why I'm not using my GoPro. Just I don't know, just not. Here it is. It doesn't cost a lot of money. You can tell that I use my gear. I said this before, and I will say it again. There's a lot of good videos out there. People doing reviews. It's called high gear. And but when they do a review, you can tell when they open it up. How can you do a review if you don't use something? As you can see, this has a lot of use on it. A good friend of mine gave me this when I first met him, bugging in. Good light. I mean, good binocular. Excuse me. Now, I use this for cutting down my firewood. This is an excellent handsaw. I had a lot of hand saws out there, and this is by far the best. Look at the use on that baby. It's so worn out, the name is gone. I know the name is Crush. This is and it crushes a competition. There we go. Good saw, good saw. Locks, Press the button. Look at the teeth in that bad boy. And I use this saw a lot. I have to clean it. This is a really good hand saw. This is how you open and release it, and you tighten it down with that screw. Right now it's locked. Works good. Excellent. Excellent saw, hand saw. Pick this up if you could still find it. Hear that lock? Very nice. Good saw. Like I said, one thing I cannot stand is people do reviews on something they don't use. You tell it's brand new. A lot of fakes out there. Alright. I have a big ladder. Didn't even notice it was in here until I went camping the other night. Big. If you're gonna get a lighter, get the original, get the best. Lights all the time. This thing is years and years of use. Look at that. You won't believe this. I found this on the side of the road like 8 years ago. Always lit. It's been wet. It's been ran over. This thing has took some abuse. Of course, I got my Sharpie. Got the fine point on one side. Look at that. For a cell phone, man, this thing takes really good videos. And on the other side of this Sharpie, of course, is you know, the regular Sharpie. So I carry that. A bottle opener / wine opener. You know, my girlfriend likes to drink wine. I drink it with her sometimes, so I keep this in there. All right. Okay. I got this knife. It's pretty nice. This knife is good. Go away. Kitty's wants. She always wants to be in my videos, man. Get out of here. It's a good knife. This one, I've used it once. Man, it's hard to do this with one hand, sorry. Alright. Seemed like a good knife. Has a paracord on it. Not too bad. And that's it. Oh, and the last thing I use, most important, my compass. Everyone loves a good compass, and this is a good one. I gotta make more videos how to use a compass. A lot of people ask me about that. Yeah, I'm trying to get back into making, you know, good videos. You know, it's a little depressed when the SJ, the computer went on it. It just, it's gotten old like everything else, you know. Had 300 something plus miles, so we'll get back into it. It's a good compass though. I'm gonna make another review about this compass. See if I can get in there. Show you guys. Here we go. Good compass, really nice. Works well. Very happy with it. And that's what I have in my Maxpedition bag. I think this is called the Fatty. I think it's a good bag. Stays on the bike all the time. Bike's out in the rain, stays out there. I don't even cover it up. The bags, I mean. Sometimes try to cover the bike. If I can't, the bag stays there. The sun, really good bag, durable. You guys know about Maxpedition. So that's what I keep. That's one of my bags on the Dark Horse. And I'm doing another video about my Contour saddle bags and tail bag. See how it holds up in the rain. Alright guys, that's it. That is the right side of the Dark Horse on the crash bars. Maxpedition Fatty. Talk to you later.